all these necessary files will be inside which are index.html, first page, second page, this are all in. So let's go into our first step. So I'm using bracket text edit. So let's open the project. So these are the files. So okay, so in here there's a couple of HTML files. I'll do them. Okay, so first of all, this is the HTML table for the type HTML. So from there, there's the head tag. The head tag contains either the CSS, the title of your page, and everything, links, meta tags, and everything. So next is the body tag. The body tag contains anything that you need for your website, either text or anything. So this is the div is like a container which holds other HTML elements. So let's dig into it. So first of all, close everything, now clear everything, start everything. So first of all, start by typing HTML to HTML. And then let's type the head tag. So inside the head, you have title. Okay, let me leave the title and save the page. It just runs. So for the title, it's the body. Okay, so the body. This is the body tag. Okay, so let's see the part. So this is our first screen, the screen that we see. So on this screen, there's nothing here. So before we get something, so let's type it heading more. So like hello. Easy. So let's use HTML5 now. So and inside the navbar, we create a couple of length tags. So you name it, it's going to be home. So this one is okay. After this, so that we click on it, so this one is not a link. And then the color should change. This one is not a link. The color should change. So click it and make sure it's where page so let's see. So the page 1.html was this one. So let's copy all this, copy and paste this couple of times. Okay, so and let's go home page. Good. So that's services. Let's do this. First names. Okay. let's do about. Okay, so when you see this page, since everything, so right now it's a link, so let's change this one to page 2, change this one to page 3, change it to page 3, continue to page 2. Okay, so let's save it and go to this. So this is enough bar. So the reason why I use this number is to navigate to this other. So when you click on it, you see the to go to a different page. So let's get into page 1 and 2. Okay, so let's get into page 1. Let me use this one. So let's go into page 1. So this page 1. Okay, and copy all these things. So it's the same format that we use to page 1. Then to page 1, HTML. From there, head tag. From the head tag, IT. And then so let's name it. Let's use this one, products. So products. So from there we're gonna have to get a body tag so that will keep some files or images in it. So, let's copy and paste it to the other pages. So let's change this to services. Services. Okay. Page 3 and this to about. Okay. About us. Okay, so let's say it. So first of all, let's navigate these pages and see whether it's working. Okay, so this one is working, so this one is working. So before we start, let's see. So page 1, this the home page. And see the mistake in this page. This my first page. This page 1. Okay, so it's a pages. Okay, so it's a new page. So we get this. So let's make sure we certification my sites. Yes, so before we go into different so let's continue. So okay, let me close this. So these are the links. So let's navigate it. So this is the home page to take you to any site. So products. So have you seen it? Products have changed. From there, let's go here. This thing has changed. This thing has changed. So okay, so let's copy all this number. So this is the number. So when you are navigating to other sites, Then navbar have to show them. So let's copy all these things and open this page. This is in the body of paste. Yes. This is in the body. So yes. It's correct. Okay. So let's save it and go to the index photo. I'm gonna click on products to this is the product tab. Services. So this one is about so services and top. So the links are really working and it's navigatable. So let's go to the next one. Okay, we are still in the home page of our screen. So this is the home page. So let's create a couple of them. Okay. 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 So let's add an image. The image we use the img. So this is the image. So let's use this image, the logo to at the side. So in the navigation, so let's click here and type image img using this tag. So we have to use src. This means that we are just locating the source. So src. What the name of the image is logo 22.2. Which formats are we using? So it's JPG, so JPEG. Then you save it. Okay. So you see that this image appears here. So it means the link is working. Refresh. You see the image here. Okay. So with getting the image and we're using CSS to style all these things. We'll be using CSS to style all these things. So the reason why, so let's continue. Let's add an image to src. So let's add an image. So change the top. So first of all, if you want to add a different image, you have to navigate to the folder. So here is my folder, my site, and I have a couple of images I've downloaded that one. So let's remove this one. I have some couple of images. Let's add this to this is the copy this one, copy this one, paste it here. Okay. So the reason why I'm doing this thing is all the images should have at least a page where all the images are located. You don't need to have a separate image and stuff. So let's continue. You see the images are here. So let's click, let's start. So src, this is how we do this one. src equals to quotes, then the name of the image. We have logo one dot. So the dot is the extension of the process enj, like this. So when you save and refresh the page, you see this hospital health logo. Okay, so under the health logo, let's write something more about it. So I'll use the h3. So I'll use the h, so h filter rather, so let me use it. So let me type enter the hospital logo. Okay, so this one is a live reload. I'm using a live reload. That's why I have, as I was typing, everything was fine. This is the live reload. If you want to insert a live reload, you have to go to extension, type the live reload, and install the live reload form. Okay, so let's continue. So this image is this one. So let's add an alt. Alt simply means if in case the image is not there, a text or the image is broken, you have a broken link in the image, this text, so logo was picture still. So this one will come. So let's try it. So let me remove this one. You see the logo, the image is small, but the text has just appeared. So let me add, and have you seen it? The alt. So this is the function of it. So if in case you have a bug in your code, and let me say the image is broken and stuff, you can use this alt to tell someone that this is what is there, so that you'll be able to locate the bug and fix it easily. Okay, so let's fix it. So for now let's add different couple of them. So let's use the H2. Let's use the H1 and H1. So heading 1 and type images. So the images side. So and you add a couple of images. So image, we use the IMG and again SLC image, so SLC. So one thing I really love about brackets is just something we call auto intelligence. The auto intelligence simply means when I'm typing something, I'm able to, with the help of the enter key, I'll just get the format. So let's use the second logo. So logo dot the format from the when we see the format. So the format is png, so dot png. So when you close the tag and save it, the next image is same. So let me copy for the sake of time. Let me copy and save. Copy and save. So when we save this, let me use two rather. Let me use two images. Save. Okay. So we are building the site now with only HTML. So because I had all my images now in one location, I was able to locate the images easily. Okay, so let's continue. So make note, all these things are in the body. So this is the body stuff. So let's add some small styling to it so that it will look, this is nice. Let's add a background color. So let's add this nice CSS. So this nice CSS. So let's add the body. So I'm not going to get into CSS. CSS to use a different tutorial. So body, so background color. Let's use the upper. So you see, this is the upper. So our next tutorial, we just dive into CSS small. So these are the links. So these are the links. So let's go back to home page. Okay. So let's go to this there. This is there. So let's go back. Let's go to this side. Everything is changed. So change it. So let's go back to home page. Okay. So this link is working perfect. So okay. Let's change with the CSS. I can change the color of here. So this data all elements. So font hyphen color. So color. So I'm going to change all the colors to white. So you see, and let's change it to red, and then let's change it to pink, font pink, deep pink. Okay, so let's save it. So this operator means it's grabbing all the elements, including the body and everything. So this one, the body is up. So let's see. Let's use different body. So let's use background color. So this color of red. See, it's changed everything. So let's have a look at this. So let's clean it and this is your more. Okay, today we are going to talk more about CSS. Okay, so let's continue. So inside this, let's create a couple of things. So here, let's grab this. Okay. So let's go to the other page. So let's go to the other pages and do some small styling to it. Okay, so let me minimize it. So let's go to page 2. So on this page, let's add some couple of headings to it. So let's use H1. So hello, welcome to our pattern. So let's save it and let's do H2 to H2. Nice meeting you, user. Okay, so let's save it and go to the home page. So this is the home page. So it means the links in here are working perfectly. So please, you can comment if you can see my fonts. So let me increase the fonts. Okay, so the font is okay. So if I want to go to this side, you see the link is really working perfect. So let's go back to the page. So let's come here and add a couple of images and stuff here. So inside this div tab, let me let me do a small div. So let me type h to h. Let me use h5. So hello, type in this is really working perfect. Okay, so let's say it's go down, see the page. Okay, so you can see here the image as the title. So there is this one is the different. So this one is everything here. I use the H5. So let me use H6 and see. So H6. So I have to change this one to H6. It will make it will be smaller than the H5. Let me zoom in so that you see. So it's smaller than the H5. So let me bring it back. Okay. So the H6 is the last heading line we have it on. So I don't know. Okay, but you can use CSS to modify or change anything. Okay, so let's go to the home page again and start something small. Okay, so thank you all for watching. So I'll end the video here, and our next video we'll be talking about fonts. We'll be talking about fonts. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Aftertech is one of the best channel which offers coding lessons. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell icon so that you get notifications from any tutorial that we do. Thank you.